Hi folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here. If you recall one of my last videos, I got a 3-inch chuck for my South Bend lathe to make a spider out of. And I didn't quite like it because it had a really tight spot right where you're going to use it most, right in about the last 1/4 of an inch of it closing. And the tips on the 3 jaws didn't meet. They had quite a cutout on them. I just got in my new one. It looks exactly the same, and you can see it right here, and it meets right in the middle. I mean, they nearly touch, and the action on this is so much better. There's no tight spot on it. It is silky smooth the whole darn way. But the fact that it tightens down to near 100% there is really important to me. See if I get that. There we go. Yeah, that's really important because I do a lot of small stuff. So we're gonna thread that onto there, put her on the lathe, and see how it goes. We'll be right back. Okay. That's all pretty snug. This one's pretty tight, but it is going. I think we're there. All right, let's go put her on the South Benny. See how it goes. All right, let's see if it's. Oops, better unthread that a little bit. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, it looks real good. Let's give her a go. Pretty true. The real thing is to try it out. Let's do that. Yeah, this is really why I wanted it. This is a 3-foot long piece of brass. Tighten that in. Let's see. Normally, if I'm working right on the end, I've got about 1 inch sticking out there. And you can see we've got a bunch sticking out on this end. And before I close this, I'm just going to leave it open so you can see how it would have been. And that's what we would have. The reason I like these chucks is because it can be done so quickly. It takes me a second. Much better. You've got a 1/4 inch run out in the end there. It's a lot better though. A lot quicker. That's what I wanted. Quick. If it took me too long, I probably wouldn't use it. So this is a much better chuck than I got the first time. I will link this one on the bottom of this video because I can recommend this one. It's really super smooth. Doesn't have any tight spots in it. And it closes down nearly 100%, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. It works very fast. You can see it just takes nearly seconds. And Probably wouldn't even have to even actually put the bars on it. You can see the knurling runs a little bit out of truth, but that's all right. The thing that tightens up is fine. So thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Flip right on and off. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.